Check the logs for the error. Okay, looking now. See the spike? That's the issue. Got it. Let me check myself.
Excellent. The security setup is now complete, I think. You guys are doing very well.
A backup admin needs to verify if incremental backup jobs for a large VM consistently completed within an SLA of 90 minutes last week. In Cohesity Data Cloud, which KPI metric should be monitored in the backup SLA compliance report for this? A. Job backlog. B. Change block ratio. C. Job duration. D. Job throughput. The correct answer is option C. A financial institution with strict regulatory requirements has deployed Cohesity DataProtect across multiple clusters, and during a quarterly audit, auditors flag inconsistent backup windows for Oracle databases. Which metrics displayed on the Cohesity performance dashboard are essential for the data protection team to review in order to validate that protection jobs are completing within defined SLAs and to prepare evidence for the audit? Select multiple answers. A. Cluster health score and posture advisor metrics. B. Data reduction ratios for each protection policy. C. Job duration versus SLA thresholds for database backups. D. Throughput rates for replication to remote sites. The correct answer is option A, C. During a compliance review, a pharmaceutical firm analyzes Cohesity DataProtect policies for drug trial data. In this regulated scenario involving global teams, which policy concepts ensure consistent application across distributed protection groups? Select multiple answers. A. Global deduplication scope spanning multiple clusters. B. Log backup frequencies tied to transactional SLAs. C. Policy inheritance hierarchies for subgroup overrides. D. Snapshot consolidation intervals for storage optimization. The correct answer is option B, D. Which Cohesity DataProtect protection policy component specifies on which schedule snapshots are recreated? A. Retention duration. B. Replication target. C. Snapshot frequency. D. Agent installation profile. The correct answer is option C,